Greetings everyone, welcome back to the Garage Rookie, and today I'm going to be replacing, updating my stereo to a tablet. Currently it doesn't work, I can go from AM to FM. If I try to use the CD player, if I try to use the auxiliary cord, the settings don't change, so there's nothing I can do, so I'm just gonna replace it. But before you do any of that, I just want to remind you all that anything electrical in your car, you need to disconnect the battery. So anytime you want to work on something electrical, disconnect the battery, because you can blow a fuse, you can short something out, or even worse, could be dramatic, but you can deploy an airbag, so you don't want to go through that. So I'm gonna be removing the dashboard, and yeah, so just thanks for checking it out. I'm gonna talked a little bit, but mostly I'm just gonna, background music so you can see what I did. But yeah, thank you. Okay, so I was able to remove it. It was it was stuck. It was very much stuck. But here's side by side. So these are some of the cables that, I don't know what this is. I am going to read the instructions for sure, because I don't want to mess things up. But I think it was fairly easy based on what I saw. Yeah, either way, I'm going to be moving all of the, yeah, these are the instructions. You see pictures. I'm not gonna lie, I did use, I have YouTube on my TV right now. I'm playing it off just because, some of the instructions are not there. So I wanna make sure that I know how to do it. So I'm going to be replacing everything, or moving everything from one side to the other side. And yeah.
to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move, you make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move, you make me move.
Okay, not bad, not bad. I'm almost done, and now I just have to do the wires for everything. I think this one goes here. It only fits there, so my assumption is that it goes there, but I do have to read the instructions. I don't want to mess things up. I did see a YouTube video, I'm playing a YouTube video in the background. Right now it stopped the video. I'll put it on the description as well. It was very helpful following him, or following his video. So if you're curious, I will also recommend you to watch him. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up. Okay, so it's finally done. Let me do a quick test. Click on everything to make sure that it works. It shows that it works. So I'm looking forward to be using this baby, and I'll update you later how it goes. Okay, well, a quick update on this is that it didn't work like I was expecting. So it's very hard to connect it to Spotify as a signal, and then I try to connect the phone to it and it doesn't let me. So it does tell me at least how fast I'm going, but other than that, and the radio, other than that, I cannot connect it to Bluetooth. I think it's the what is it called, the tablet, maybe like not fully functional, I guess. But I'm too lazy to return it, so yeah, I no longer connect my phone to my car. But yeah, it is what it is, and then just for the moment it doesn't bother me as much for me to go into replacing it and all. So yeah, well, thanks for coming. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.